Same thing yung pabalik namin. We already reserved it. We're now here guys in GoPro. Kinakain na tayo ng food guys. Pataas ka itong tintahan. Hindi siya sa akin namin. It's going to be 2 hours outside the gate guys. But for us, it was a challenge kasi nga. Hi guys, this is Jay once again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. For today's video, we are going back to Beppu. So katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, so aakyat lang tayo ulit to fix our things kasi mag-check out na din kami dahil after Beppu, yung tour namin today, aalis na din tayo ng Oita. So if you would wanna come with us in this tour today, just stay tuned because that is coming right up. We are off to go guys. What we did is we left our luggages muna dito, tapos babalikan na lang namin sila around 3 p.m. Check out time nila is 11 a.m. So we're leaving now. It's 9 in the morning. Tapos pupunta ulit tayo ng Beppu for some tours there. So matatapos tayo doon around 2 p.m. So yan. As you can see, napakataas ng araw pero malamig yung weather today. Plus, may dala pa akong iced coffee. So guys, binati ko yung haring araw. Tapos dito banda wala, ang lamig tuloy. Yung hinahabol naming train schedule is 9:17 a.m. Ay, 9... Anong oras? 9:11 a.m. pala. That's yung one of the good things nung binili namin yung 5-day pass. Kasi you could actually reserve your seats kahit day before. Actually, kahit days before. Para alam mo kung ano yung hahabulin mong oras. So that's what we are chasing right now. Papunta ng Beppu. Same thing yung pabalik namin. We already reserved it. Kaya kailangan din namin makabalik. Or kaya nasabi namin sa hotel that we can be there like around 3 p.m. to pick up our luggage. We made it to the train guys, so we are still a bit early. So hindi pa maalis yung train, pero for sure at 11, yung as in 9:11, aalis na to. Just like our experiences kahapon. So as it is, diba, eksaktong 9:11 and now we are going to Beppu. We are now here in Beppu station guys and we're just looking for the bus na sasakyan namin for the tour. This is not a bingo card. Ito yung ini-scratch siya. Unlimited the ride ticket for 1 day. Ay, ayun. 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 We are now here guys in Ropeway. Yung pagbaba namin ng bus there. And it's super cold here. Habang naka-shorts kami.
Thank you.
So we already purchased the ticket guys, but the next departure is at 11:20. So 1.8 per ticket.
お待たせいたしました。由布号出発いたします。本日は別府ロープウェイにお越しいただきまして誠にありがとうございます。国立公園の東の端に位置し、標高1375メートルのこれより標高1300メートルの相模三条駅まで約10分でご案内いたします。右手に湯の町別府、その向こうに別府湾が広が車見えた。のは次のベッドです。この手を頭や体に当てること、知恵と力を授かると伝えられています。なお、三条遊歩道沿いには七福神などもございますので、ぜひ。
We are now super high above guys. So that was the easiest and fastest hike ever guys. Nandito na kami sa Tuktok. Kalimutan ko yung tawag ng station. Wala ng English here pero it was mentioned when we were still inside. And as you come here inside, amoy kape. They also have here some souvenirs and a lot of stuff to buy. Charan, as expected, it is so cold here guys. Look. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kami kataas. Yan. So, para kami nasa Benguet. Let me give you a 180 view of what's here. Super nice here guys, the view and the weather. Kaya lang parang sobrang lamig. Medyo nakakasipon. Look at those people. They're trying to take some pictures with the view ng nasa baba. Nawala na yung beautiful scene guys, look. Naging fog na lahat. Hindi na tayo guys pinagbigyan ng fog. Yun o, konting-konti na lang yung nakikita. Puro na lang fog everywhere. So that's the current temperature guys. Here. Tapos may araw pa yan ha. And we're now going up dun sa scenic view daw. Nakalagay doon na instruction is 3 minutes by foot. Pero pataas siya. We're like, ayan, may hagdan. It's going up. And of course, it's colder here. Ang lamig sa tenga. Kinakain na tayo ng fog guys. Pataas kasi itong tinatahak natin. At nakakapagod, naghihiwalay na yung bangs ko. Pero look at that scene. Diba, we're almost entering the heavens. We're almost at the peak, guys. Nakakahingal pero look, ang ganda dito. Super foggy. We made it to the top, guys. We're on the top of the world. And amazingly, yung mga kasama namin, mga matatanda. Tapos ako hingal na. Yung mga lolos and lolas na sila. They even have with them some food. So they're eating now. Pero ang taas. So this is how high we are. 1,375 meters above. Grabe, nakakapagod din going to the peak kahit na sobrang lamig ng weather. What more kung super summer? So we're now back here in the station, guys. Ito yung station. So we'll just wait for the next bagon going down. We are now going back down, guys. Yan yung entrance. 2.
はいどうぞはいどうぞ
Thank you.
夜景は素晴らしいものです秋になりますと鶴見岳を包む美しい無双の花が見られます左手眼下に広がる千両のお湯が湧くと歌われますように各所からさまざまな繊細ところを通過しておりますが地上からゴンドラまでの距離が遠いところを通過しております下の方に見えてはい
Ayun guys yung sinakyan namin gondola. Hala, hindi nakita. Pero ayun siya. At ganun kataas yung tinatahak niyang landas. We are back in Beppu, guys. And then nandito kami sa, I'm not sure, pero this looks like an arcade. And then we found this. Hindi ko mabasa kung anong klaseng restaurant, pero this is how it looks like. Yan. And then we saw, kasi meron sila ditong display. Ayan, mga mura lang yung food nila. So let's check. So we found a local restaurant here, guys, and they are offering authentic Japanese food. This one is, I think, chicken oyakodon, and then we also ordered yung eel, that one. So come on, let's eat. Actually, walang mga English names. Itinuturo lang namin yung yung mga naka-display outside. Let's go, guys. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Pero parang ang konti ng serving. This one is 780 yata, if I'm not mistaken. Para siyang half order. Ang init. Pero masarap. Sarap. Very flavorful. Masarap ng food nila dito guys, kaya lang parang nakakabitin. Tignan nyo, paubos na agad. Parang wala pang 5 minutes kumakain. So it's either maliit yung serving or PG lang kami. Kaya ubos agad. This is a good restaurant guys, you have to try it here. Very tiny restaurant but all good food here. You should try it here. That was a quick lunch guys, pero very nice experience. Malapit lang siya sa Beppu Station. Parang this is an arcade like this one. Tapos dito yung way going to Beppu Station. So from Beppu Station, that way, ang landmark is etong Lawson. Yeah, tapos pagpasok niya dito sa arcade already. We are now back to the train station guys, and we are riding this train going back to Oita. We are here. Hey guys, another train. So yung travel na to here in Oita is always a train ride. And we are now in Sonic Express. And we are now bound for Hakata. This is going to be a 2-hour ride. So medyo makakapagpahinga tayo. And we also bought some foods from supermarket lang to eh. Yan, milk tea. And they also have yung iced coffee. Wala. And madami pang ibang bread.
付近やトイレを含めすべて禁煙です。次は亀川です。事故防止のため
Hey guys, we are in another train and this is called Chubami Express. And this is going to be our first bullet train. Hindi ko na video kanina yung paglabas namin dun sa previews going here. Kasi we ran for our 6 minutes para maabutan to. And now we're here and we are now bound for Kumamoto.
Thank you. 我们の新干线是最号的自由席车厢。本次列车全车禁烟，所有车厢内。
So from Hakata Station to Kumamoto, we are going to have 48 minutes travel. So maiksi lang to kumpara din sa kanila natin sinakita. Hey guys, we just get off the train and welcome to Kumamoto. So we're just going towards the exit guys, and look at this station. Napakalaki, mukha siyang airport. And guys, let me introduce you to Kumamon. Isa lang siyang ulo. But the famous tourism mascot of Japan. Hello, Kumamon. We are now outside the gate, guys. Doon tayo lumabas. Yung nasa likod ko. And now we're here. Look around. Diba? Mukha siyang airport. Ang dami ding mga stores. Hanap lang tayo guys ng way to the tram kasi that is what we are going to ride on going to our hotel. Good thing here in Japan, kailangan mo lang tumingin-tingin sa mga signages and then you would know where to go. So kanina nakatingin lang kami sa baba pero nandun sa taas may mga nakalagay na signages like going to tram and everything. So guys, kabababa lang namin ng tram and we are now here in Torichosuji. And we're just asking for ways kung papunta saan or which way yung going to our hotel. We found a hotel. It's called End Comfy Hotel and it's just around 6 minutes walk from Torichosuji station. This is what welcomes me here. Overflowing coffee for the entire stay. Yeah, they even provide yung mga takeout cups. So guys, yung dispenser pala nila here is not just coffee. Meron ding mga milk tea. Royal milk tea yung tawag. I'm not sure kung ano yun. Pero meron ding lemon tea and green tea. So lahat ng tea. So guys, nabasag yung excitement ko kasi hindi pala siya overflowing and free. Ano siya? Welcome drink. Ayan, welcome drink. Tapos you will be provided a ticket. So you would have to have your option. So 1:1. And that's just a welcome drink. So sira ang mga plano na magmatud araw-araw. But at least we have this. Look guys, Kumamoto Food Stall Village. Interesting sana, malapit lang siya sa hotel namin. Kaya lang, they do not have English menu so we cannot understand yung mga nakalagay dun sa menu nila. So lakad ulit tayo going to the other side that is called Shimatori ba yan? Yeah. Yung parang arcade. And let's hope na merong kainan. By the way, it's already 9:10 in the evening. Kakatapos lang namin mag-check-in. So we're looking for something to eat before our day officially ends. So guys, we found this restaurant called Mangetsu no Okonomiyaki and this is where we're going to have our dinner. Let's go. So medyo haggard pa lang maghanap ng kainan dito guys. At least yung mga napuntahan namin, they do not have yung mga English menu. So you have to take a picture of it para ma-translate mo unless marunong kayo mag-Japanese, then you could, of course, eat here. But for us, it was a challenge kasi nga, even yung mga staff, they do not know how to translate yung mga menu that they have. Ang usual guys ng restaurant na nagpo-provide ng toothbrush. Pagkatapos mong kumain, diba you will brush your teeth. And ang ganda ng CR nila. So guys, this restaurant is called Mangetsu no Okonomiyaki. And how they prepare yung food, you could actually ask them to have it all cooked here on your table. Pero kasi because we are already hungry, we have them cook it inside instead. So yung kakaserve lang yung unang food. Ito yung isa. So, yeah. Cooked inside, hindi na here sa table natin. Anyway, what we ordered are parang mga fried noodles and may vegetables, and yung isa is seafood yung kasama, and then another one is meat naman. Here's my noodles, guys. Yan. Parang pansit canton. Let's eat. So guys, I ordered something else. Rice topping. Joke lang. Nilagyan ko lang yung mga pork ng noodles ko. Nilagay ko lang din sa ibabaw ng order kong rice. And then I put yung mayonnaise. I'll show you, madami silang condiments here. Diba? So you could actually make your own dish. Ayan, oh. Instant. That was overall a great dinner, guys. Puro siya carbs kasi noodles yung in-order namin, and then we also ordered rice. And super tasty nung noodles, and nadami ding sahog, so parang naging ulam na din siya nung in-order namin kanin. Yon, and I guess this is where I'm going to end this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more funny video only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one. Bye!
Cracky.